Hello. Today we are doing a new pick guard on the Les Paul Special. Just something to give it a little more flavor. As you can see, it's all black. Pick guard is black. So let's see what we got pick guard wise. Ordered this from WD. Looks like it's packed pretty well, lots of peanuts. Let's just dump these out over here. Okay. And there it is. Checkerboard pick guard. We'll see in a little bit why I chose checkered board. But that's it. Okay, let's get it on here. It's pretty simple. 4 screws. Screws out. You don't even have to take the strings out. Or off, that is. Okay. Just about done. One last screw. Whoop. Okay, and there it is. That's the old one, and there's the new one. As they say, assembly is the opposite. So, screw number 2. Screw number 3. And the tricky one, the one between the strings. It's really not that tricky. Alright. That's the new pick guard. What do you think? Kind of cool. And I'll show you why we have that pick guard. For years I've had this strap. As you can tell, it's a little bit faded compared to that. But anyway, that'll look real nice on this guitar with that pick guard. At least I think it'll look really nice. Let's see. Alright, so there it is. Strap, pick guard. Here's a little bit better view of it. A little close up of the guard itself. Alright, that's all we have today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more guitar stuff coming out.